Hi, I'm Jeanette. Nice to meet you. I'm a barista in a coffee shop. Today, I'll help you learn how to serve a regular coffee to a customer in English. Stick around until the end. Good morning. What can I get for you today?
I'll just have a regular coffee, please.
For here or to go?
To go, please.
Sure thing. Would you like that hot or iced?
I would like it hot, please.
And what size would you like?
I'll take just a small one, thank you.
All right, one small hot coffee coming right up. Will there be anything else for you today?
No, that's it, thank you.
All right, your total comes to $2.50. Would you like room for cream or sugar?
Just cream, please.
Perfect. Here's your hot coffee, and here's your receipt, sir. Enjoy.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
You're welcome. You too. Take care.